find out. Okay, you can see in step 1 what we have done, step 2 and step 3 what we have done. Okay, now I am going with the next problem. This is from 2015 paper, IAS 2015 paper. The second order system transfer function is given. Just at a look you can say this is a second order closed loop transfer function. The general format, okay, it is as it is present, omega n square by s square 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. You can see the given equation exactly looks okay in the standard format. Now if you compare 1 and 2, if you compare equation 1 given and equation 2, the general closed loop transfer function, okay, of second order system, numerator you are having omega n square which is value 25 and omega n is 5. This is from numerator comparison. Denominator if you take, we are having 2 eta omega n, here we are having 5. So 2 eta omega n value is 5. Already 5 omega n value we calculated, and if you cancel this 5, we are having 2 eta value 1. So eta value equal to half or 0.5. Okay, so we have done two things, omega n value calculation and eta value calculation. Okay, we got the two values. Next, if you read the continuity in the question, the time taken for output to settle within 2% error. Already I have drawn the diagram. You can see 2% or 5% error is allowed. In the case of 2% error, settling time is 4 time constant. In the case of 2% error, okay, so all these are just rough and we have calculated from the comparison. It is step 1, actual solution. From the comparison, we are just calculating omega n and eta value. Now I am moving on to step 2, the exact formula for settling time. Okay, it is 4 time constant for 2% error. Already this capital T we know it is 1 by eta omega n. We know the values, just to substitute, simplify. Eta means half, omega n value is 5. Okay, what I will do, 4, then this is 2 by 5, and now it is 8 by 5, and it is 1.6. 8 by 5 is nothing but 1.6 seconds. Okay, we are having the exact value in option C. So option C is the correct answer. I am going to the next problem. Maximum we will try to complete this and close. Okay, so steady state, static error coefficients, it is going on in the second year theory classes. So from this may be the last problem. Let us see. When the input impulse response of a second order system, we are having a system, input is impulse signal. So name of the output is impulse response. When input is impulse signal, name of the output is impulse response. So response means output, general representation is C of t. Input, general representation is R of t. They have given equation for C of t. Okay, so this complete is equation of C of t. And we are supposed to find natural frequency and damping ratio. Okay, impulse signal means the signal exists only at origin. Height is 1, only at origin, and it is del of t. And its Laplace transform, any transform you apply for impulse signal, its transform is 1. Okay, its transform equal to 1. So the final conclusion is R of S equal to 1. Final conclusion, input is impulse signal. I have shown you the diagram of impulse signal. Okay, this is the diagram of impulse signal. Any transform you apply, Z transform, Laplace transform, Fourier transform. Okay, and what is other transform? Fourier transform, Z Laplace. We have discrete Fourier transform, continuous Fourier transform. Okay, like that. All these transforms for impulse signal value is 1. So R of S equal to 1. And now we will try to find C of S. So C of t is given. I am going with step 1 solution. C of t is given, which is 1 by 6 e power minus 0.8t sine 0.6t. We have to find C of s. We have to find C of s. Okay. So already we know sine omega t means its Laplace is omega by s square plus omega square. And the cos omega t, its Laplace is s by s square plus omega square. So additionally, e power minus at is present along with sine omega t. E power minus at is also present. Wherever s is there, we have to put s plus a whole square plus omega square. Similarly for cos also. Okay. But from the given equation, I will take this as equation 1. You can see you are having sine omega t. E power minus at is also there. Sine omega t, e power minus at is also there. 1 by 6 is a constant. Let it be as it is. And for the rest of the thing, we have to apply Laplace transform. It is omega. Omega value is 0.6 divided by s plus a. Okay. A is 0.8. You can see a value, it is 0.8 whole square plus 0.6 whole square. Okay. So by the side, what I have written is rough, just the recall of formulas. Okay. Recall of formulas. I have used it in the equation 1 Laplace transform. Finding equation 1, its Laplace transform, I have used the general formulas. This is 1a. Upon simplification, when you simplify, what will happen? 1 by 6. This is 0.6 whole divided by s square plus 1.6s plus 0.64 plus 0.36. Okay, you can just check. You can just check what is happening here. Denominator a plus b whole square, I have just expanded a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 0.6 whole square, I have written 0.36. Okay. So further simplification, what I can do, if you cancel this 6 and 0.6, numerator will have 0.1, denominator will have s square plus 1.6s plus 1. 0.64, 0.36, if you add, it becomes 1. Okay. So what I will do, this 0.1 constant I will put aside, and I will make the fraction 1 by s square plus 1.6s plus 1. This is our final transfer function. Closed loop, second order, final transfer function. Okay. I will just write it again and try to find the values. Finally, I got closed loop transfer function for second order system. Okay. Second order system. 0.1 is a constant, and I have 1 by s square plus 1.6s plus 1. Okay, you can see in the right bottom I have written 1 by s square plus 1.6s plus 1. Okay, so you have to compare this. This constant, let it be k, and this is the general format omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega ns plus omega n square. This is the general format of closed loop transfer function. General format of closed loop transfer function. Okay. This is same as equation 1a. On simplification only I got it. Previous slide also I have used 1a. On simplification only I got this first line. So I am giving same equation number. This is equation 2. Now compare 1a and 2. Now compare equation 1a and 2. Numerator we are having omega n square, value is 1. So omega n value is 1. Okay. Denominator second term. Denominator second term, you can see 2 eta omega n value is 1.6. Okay. Already we calculated omega n value, and now 2 eta value is 1.6, and eta value is 1.6 divided by 2, which is 0.8. Okay, which is 0.8. So finally we have calculated, we have derived the second order system transfer function, compared with the standard representation, and finally calculated the values of omega n and eta. Omega n value is 1, eta value is 0.8. Now you can check what they are asking. Natural frequency, first natural frequency. You should not be in a hurry. You should not be in a hurry. What they are asking first, natural frequency. Omega n value should be first. Okay. You have the second choice, one also is there. You should be in the same order we have to write. Okay. You should be very cautious to write the same order. Omega n value 1 we got. Eta value 0.8. Option A is having this answer. Okay. Sometimes 0.8 and 1 will also become, will be there in the options. Okay. Units also you can check. Natural frequency units are radians per second, and damping ratio no units. Damping ratio, it is a ratio, so no units. Okay, you can see 0.8 doesn't have any units, and this one is having radians per second as the units. Radians per second as the units. Yes, just 1 minute. Yes, about 10 students attended. Just I'm making it in the record. Okay, just I will note down. These are the students present. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We will stop here. Next week, I will go with the steady state error. Whatever in the theory class, it is going on for second years. That's the reason I didn't touch. In the PPT, I have the questions for steady state error ESS. Okay, next week in the GATE class, we will go with ESS calculation. I have picked up questions, but based on time, we are stopping here. Next week, we will start that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what about the last question, ma'am?